Boom shakalaka. What is going on, everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love, and today is Friday, the end of the week, and we're ending on a very green day. Take a look behind me. Lots of green. Guys, I think this is the most I've ever talked about Ripple in a week, but we were talking about Ripple for the third time this week. Oh my goodness, yes, up 100% in a day. Gosh, if that's not manipulation, people must really love Ripple. Also, Stellar Lumens up 28%. Cardano up 19.55%. Tether down 2.22%. But we'll take a look at everything here. Also going to talk about a critical Bitcoin bug that was found. Yikes. And also the ETF delay. All right, before we get into things, guys, just wanted to say thank you to everyone subscribing. Thank you to everyone nuking the shit out of the like button. And guys, if you want to win one of these shirts, make sure you comment on this video and every other video to enter for your chance to win. Plus, pause the video, read the disclaimer. I'm not an expert. Don't you be silly. Stop it. Now, guys, monumental, historical, people didn't think it would happen, but it happened. The flippening, and it wasn't the flippening we were all expecting, not the Bitcoin Ethereum flippening. This was the Ripple Ethereum flippening. The rippling. The rippling. The rippling, something like that. I don't know. Anyways, overnight, Ripple replaced Ethereum as second position in coin market cap. Yes, the market cap of Ripple is $24 billion, above Ethereum $23 billion. Now, is this reason to go jump off a building? No. This isn't the first time that Ripple has been in second on coin market cap. Although back then, this was 2014, it was more affectionately referred to as Ripples, which was a much cuter little name, because then you could be like, oh, little Ripples, so cute. Yeah. Now it's XRP, tough shit, yeah. But anyways, market cap has been jumping over the past few days, heading back to $250 billion at $225 billion. Bitcoin dominance sinking. Everybody's buying Ripple. And why wouldn't they be? The price is just going up and up and up and up and up. Despite the fact that it doesn't do anything that, cryptocurrency was meant to do, like a peer-to-peer digital currency. But, despite that, the price is going up. That's what we like. We're all speculators. We want moons, damn it. Darn it. Now, Ripple's not the only one. Ripple's getting the headlines, but Monacoin is up today. 66.65%. That's, I think, the Japanese currency. Maybe they're all buying Monacoin and Ripple because they think, hey, it's happening. But today, Bitcoin seeing a little bit of gains. Now, we've been in this little wedge here forming with Bitcoin, so we'll kind of see how high it goes. Maybe 68, 69, 7,000, somewhere around there. Bitcoin did cross the MACD the other day. So those of you doing the MACD trading, yeah, time to go back and forth. But with these smaller whipsaws, it may be harder to get profits from the MACD trading strategy. However, my technical analysis here isn't that great. But if we take a look at my Ripple technical analysis, I was spot the fuck on. Okay? I'm not sure if you guys watched the video yesterday. I did some advanced technical analysis, and boom. You can't get more spot on than what I was doing there. So, I may not be an expert except for technical analysis expert. Anyways, just taking a look at this. Yeah, Ripple has been shooting up some areas where it may see some resistance. Maybe right around 70 cents. Also at 90 cents and $1 based on previous resistance that was seen. So we'll take a look at that. Now, what is causing this Ripple pump aside from me making sarcastic movies or videos about Ripple? Well, first thing is Swell by Ripple. Yep. They have Swell by Ripple coming up. This is coming up in San Fran, October 1st and 2nd. If somebody wants to buy me tickets and fly me out there, I will go to Swell by Ripple. That'd be fun. But, guys, taking a look at things, I just like to look historically at things. So if we take a look at Ripple's charts, well, historically, last August, right here, was another Swell by Ripple event. You see how there was a swell caused in the price by that. Here we have another swell caused in the price by that. I mean, is what's going on with Ripple and XRapid that much to cause a 100% increase in price in one day? I don't know. I mean, to me, it speaks to manipulation, but that's just me. I mean, if I was pro Ripple, I'd be like, oh, fucking yeah. But anyways. There was a price jump there. Price came back down. Price jump here. Maybe price will come back down. Maybe not. Other things causing the Ripple price. News about partnerships with PNC Bank. PNC Bank is a big bank. They're going to adopt Ripple's xCurrent. Also, there's articles like this. Why Ripple is said to be the next Bitcoin. Nobody said Ripple's to be the next Bitcoin. But articles like this get into big publications like the Next Web. And then people think, oh, is Ripple going to be the next Bitcoin? And then that stuff happens. So yeah, nobody said Ripple's going to be the next Bitcoin. But according to this article, it's better because it's, not decentralized. But, who needs decentralization when you have the banks on your side? But it is faster, it is cheaper than Bitcoin. Also, guys, if we take a look here, look at the search volume for people searching for Ripple and XRP. It is mooning itself. Everybody wants to get in on these Ripple moon Lambos. Now, I always reference this study. This is the Yale study where they talk about the things that cause increase in cryptocurrency prices. All right? There's no similarities between the behavior of cryptos and 5 traditional currencies. However, the first effect is called the momentum effect, which basically means when an asset increases in value, it will tend to rise even higher. So Ripple's price is going up. Everybody doesn't want to miss that $589 Ripple, so they're buying in. It should be noted here, to take this I did not read previously, but this is pretty cool to note. To take advantage of the momentum effect, we have designed a simple strategy that says an investor should buy Bitcoin if its value increases more than 20% in the previous week. This strategy generates outstanding returns and a very high Sharpe ratio. Very cool. So when Bitcoin goes up 20% a week, double down. Also, the second factor, this is the biggest factor, strongly influencing crypto price, is investor attention. Okay, if there's a high number of mentions of cryptocurrency on Google or Twitter, the returns go up. And there's nothing but mentions of Ripple on the news recently, especially with articles like this. Yikes. However, people still love Ripple, even though it goes completely against what Bitcoin was standing for, what cryptocurrencies were standing for. A peer-to-peer digital currency, done away with the banks. Now, Bitcoin has some bad news today. Yikes. I woke up, I thought it was a nightmare. Okay, Ripple up 100%, and then Bitcoin has very bad news, a mission-critical bug. So, yeah, it's true. Bitcoin had a bug that allowed for DDoS attacks, denial of service attacks. Basically, there was an update to the Bitcoin core software in March of 2017, so that was a while back. And what it allowed block producers to do is if they sacrificed their block reward, which at this point is like 12.5 Bitcoin or around $75,000, they could, in fact, run a DDoS attack on the Bitcoin network by double spending transaction and placing it on the block, which would potentially take out nodes or cause severe crashes of the Bitcoin network. So thank goodness that did not happen. I think potentially because most Bitcoin, the only people who could actually do it are the people mining on the Bitcoin network, so they would have to give up their block rewards. You would think most people mining on the Bitcoin network are pro-Bitcoin, wouldn't want to attack the network, but that's kind of frightening. Now, is this the first ever vulnerability on the Bitcoin network? No. But Bitcoins are not at risk. Any stored Bitcoins are not at risk. There were just ones that were in transactions at the time being. This didn't actually happen, but if it did happen. So basically, bugs happen. It's a fact of life. Okay? This guy says he's not criticizing bugs. He's criticizing the idiot mentalists who insist core developers are godlike individuals. Computer code is written by people. People make mistakes. All right? So it is a serious bug, but not as bad as some are making it to believe. So good news is nobody lost any Bitcoin. Didn't actually happen. Good news is we caught it early. It is a bug, but it's fixed. Other news today, SEC asked for further comment regarding VanEck Bitcoin ETF. That's right. They want more information to further have to basically have a better decision, because they didn't exactly postpone it. They just want more information so they can go ahead and make the best decision on this ETFs. Could potentially be pro ETF news. I mean, we look at the prices along Bitcoin and everything else. Prices are going up after this decision, so could kind of be pro news. So guys, that's all the news for today. Ripple, Bitcoin, and ETFs. If you want the news delivered to your inbox, you can go to crypto-level.com, sign up for our newsletter, enter to win a Ledger Nano S. I've been actually, aside from making the newsletters, I've actually been receiving them, and they are fun to receive. So, pretty cool. I like it, if I say so myself. Okay. Also, guys, I have been trading with Signal Profits. I've been getting daily trading signals, having a good time trading with those, so check that out. There is an affiliate link down in the description. It's $7 for 2 weeks. Check it out. You could potentially become a good trader from the #1 trader on TradingView. #1 in the world. Now, let's give away a shirt. Oh, yeah, you guys like the Bitcoin, the XRP for life thing on the thumbnail that I made? That's a joke. I'm not XRP for life. But, I think going to a conference would be fun. Definitely. And Bill Clinton's going to be there. Slick Willie, as they call him. Free Willy. Did he free Willy on Monica Lewinsky? I guess he did. No, that was a cigar. Okay, that was a cigar. Anyways, let's give away a shirt. We had 2 videos yesterday, the news video, and guys, if you want to know what's going on with Neo, had an awesome live stream yesterday with Blockchain Brad and Crypto Zombie talking about what is going on with Neo. Is Neo dead? Because there's been some concerns. So we answer it all in that live stream there, but 2 videos, 1 and 2. Ready? Number 1, the news video. One of you news watchers could win. Yep, XRP is the awesomest coin ever. Oh yeah. Lastly, for those of you guys who are actually interested, you could potentially trade XRP. Here's the thing. It's very volatile at relative highs right now. I would call them all-time highs. If we look over the past 6 months, they're all-time highs. So you could potentially trade it, but you want to have a trailing stop loss on that, because in case the price tanks, you don't want to be left holding those XRP bags, but it could go up. Lord of Talon, Ripple sucks. That's right, my man. Ripple does suck. Totally. So, man, if you want to win a shirt, you want a shirt. If you want to claim your shirt, you should claim your shirt. Email me at the email my about page. I will send you a shirt anywhere in the world. Maybe even to Italy. That's what I saw when I saw your name. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great weekend. I know it's a rough start to the weekend with Ripple going up that much and Bitcoin having a bug. But, you know what they say. It can only go up from here. So, love you guys. Have a good one. All right? Peace.